All right. Welcome back to my course on how to buy and sell your home at the same time. If you're waiting for the perfect time to buy and sell, then you might be costing yourself more than you think. The biggest mistake that I see homeowners make is trying to perfectly time selling high and buying low. And in reality, you're buying and selling in the same market. So if the prices are high, then you sell high and you buy high. If the market is slower and the prices are lower, then you sell low and you buy low. So it cancels each other out. The real strategy is timing your transition, not the market. And the pain points that I solve is the fear of being homeless, the fear of having double payments, the fear of rushing decisions. And that's why we build a plan specifically for you, where you can control the timeline, you can negotiate and have flexibility, and you're always in control, and you move once and you don't move twice. Head on over to my next video where we'll be talking about, should you buy first or sell first? Which one suits your situation best? See you soon.